Chin Chev, Mr. Gillespie. I'm Gillespie, your Scottish Gaelic speech coach. A native speaker is here to help you get rid of English words and sounds from your Gaelic. And as you can see, probably for the first time in about 3 years, we've getting on for an entire week of sunshine. Hai Grianach Fhathast. It's still sunny. And one of you in the comments asked about this word Fhathast yet. And maybe what I might hear with this phrase, it's still sunny, might hear a Scottish town. Hai Greenock Fhathast. Greenock? So, how do we sort that? The adjective is grianach. We have that diphthong. Ia. Grianach. And it's nice and short. Grianach. With that ACH at the end. Ugh. We need to engage that fricative sound at the back. Ch, ch, ch. Grianach. And hast is tricky because FH is generally silent with no sound, but there are several words in Gaelic which are always spelt FH, and in this instance we have a breath, and with this word you can see there's a TH in the middle, which gives us a little gap between two sounds. So it's not hast, it's haast, to slow it right down. Haast, with that very subtle gap in the middle between the two vowel sounds, which we call a hiatus, the fancy word for it. Don't have to remember that. Just remember that there's this little pause, this little gap, very subtle in the middle. Haast, haast, not hast. Hai Grianach Fhathast. For more tips on how to get rid of English words and Scottish towns out of your Scottish Gaelic, subscribe to my channel.